In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change keyboard shortcuts on TradingView, full guides. First, open TradingView and load the asset you want to work with. Make sure you're on the chart of that symbol because shortcuts act on the currently active chart. Click once on the chart area so it's in focus. This helps ensure the shortcuts you try will work right where you expect. Next, look to the top right of the chart interface and click the profile icon. That opens a menu where TradingView keeps account options and several chart tools. From this menu, choose keyboard shortcuts. If you want a faster way in the future, you can use the built-in command to open this panel directly with Ctrl+/ on most keyboards. A panel will open over your chart. Inside, click the chart section. This is where TradingView organizes shortcuts by category such as navigation, indicators, and trading actions. Think of this as your command center for getting faster. Browse through the list and notice how each action has an associated key or combination. There's a search field too, so if you're looking for a specific command, type a keyword like interval, magnet, or snap to jump straight to it. As you scan the list, pick out the actions you use every day. For example, typing a number can quickly change chart intervals, and Ctrl+/ opens this shortcut menu itself. The more you align what you learn here with your routine tasks, the bigger the time savings. Now, an important clarification. TradingView currently does not offer full user-defined remapping for every action. You can't create any custom hotkey you want for any command. Some items may have limited adjustments, but overall, the focus here is learning the built-in defaults. It's tempting to look for third-party tools to remap keys globally. Be aware that external solutions can conflict with other programs, may require ongoing setup, and sometimes cost money. If you decide to explore them, test carefully and keep your trading environment stable. Your best path is to master the shortcuts TradingView already provides. Start with a handful you'll use constantly, like toggling crosshair or switching intervals, and practice them for a few sessions. Keep the shortcuts panel open alongside your chart while you trade or backtest, and gradually add a few more as they become second nature. Also, remember that some shortcuts differ slightly by operating system, and a few commands may behave differently if your cursor is in a text input or script editor instead of on the chart. That's it. Open your chart, launch the keyboard shortcuts panel, learn the essentials, and streamline your workflow with what TradingView supports today. Happy charting!